Good morning, children. Welcome to my channel, Cheshri Thakur. Today we'll discuss chapter 5, part 2, that is exercise. In previous video, before your unit test 6, we discussed chapter 5 translation, and today we'll discuss its exercise. We'll discuss question wise. So it is part 2. And if you remember, Yojaka Tatra Durlabha, the organizer of talents is really rare. This kind of organizer is not found nowadays who can identify the real talent. Okay? On that basis, on the basis of that lesson, we'll discuss the exercise. Question number 1. Pronounce the following words orally. You have to just pronounce the word and write it down in your notebook. I am saying the meaning also. Ushtra Bhrata, O brother camel. Vakrah means carve. Chanchu means big. Lajja means shame. Shame. Puchha means tail. Tail. Drushtva on seeing. Seeing. Swasthyam health. Griba neck. Shaknoti is able to. Swami Bhakta devoted to master. Antram Aksharam, the letter which is not mantra. Moolam Manosadam, the root which is not medicine. Yojakas Tatra, the organizer is rare or is there. Read the lesson and answer the following questions in Sanskrit orally as well as in written form. Okay? So as soon as you get the answer, while watching the video, just keep your notebook ready and write the answer, and at the same time keep your textbook open so you can refer the textbook and pause the video. Now first question, I will translate each and every question in English, then after I will say the answer in English as well as in Sanskrit. Ustra Sobhavena Kedrusta Asti. How is the camel by nature? Camel is curved by nature. Okay. Ustra Sobhavena Vakrah Asti. By nature it is Vakra. Vakra means curved. Ustra Bruksya Supari Kam Pasyati. Ustra Brukshasya Upari Kam Pasyati. Whom does the camel see on the tree? Sukam. Okay. So Ustra Brukshasya Upari Sukam Pasyati. Sukam means parrot. Ustra Sukraya Kim Kadhayati. What does the camel speak to parrot? He speaks to parrot that your beak is curved. Ustra Sukaya Kathayati Yat means that tava chancho vakra asti. Kasya puchham vakram asti. Whose tail is curved? Kukurasya. Kasya will be replaced by kukurasya. Here you see, children, one word only to replace. Kidrusam. Ustra Sabhavana Kidrusa. Ustra Sabhavana vakra asti. So Kidrusa will be replaced by vakra. Ustra Bruksha Supari Kam Pasyati. Kam will be replaced by Sukam. Other words will remain as it is. Ustra Sukaya Kim Kadhayati. Kim will be replaced by Tava Chamchuhu Vakra Asti. Kasya Puchham Vakram Asti. Kukurasya. Whose tail is curved? Kukurasya. Kaha Manusya Vanim Bhaktum Saknoti. Who can speak in human voice? In human voice? Sukaha. Kaha will be replaced by Sukaha. Kasya Griva Vakra. Vakasya means crane. Whose neck is curved? Kasya will be replaced by Vakasya. Kaha Marubhimya Nrupasti. Who is the king on the desert? Ustraha. So Kaha will be replaced by Ustraha. Kasya Swami Bhakti Prachalita. Whose devotion to the master is very famous? That is Kukurasya. Kasya will be replaced by Kukurasya. Okay? So this way you have to answer in Sanskrit as well as in English also. Now question number 3. On the basis of lesson, Write am. Am means yes for the true and no for the false. No means not or wrong. Right, wrong. In the box given against each statement. So on the basis of the textbook, some statements are given. If you feel the statement is correct, write am in the box. If you feel the statement is wrong, then write no. No means not wrong. Sukah Sovanam Akra. No. So write no. Who is car by nature? Ustra. So this statement is wrong. So you have to write here no. Okay, in the box. Sukasya Chanchu Bakra. Yes, it is correct. The beak of the parrot is carved. So it is am. Yes. Baka Manusya Vadim Bhaktum Saknoti. The crane can speak in human voice? No. So you have to write no. The crane cannot speak in human voice. Only Sukha, the parrot, can speak in human voice. Sukasya Kagrata Prachadita Asti. The concentration of the parrot is famous? No. Bakasya. Sukasya will be replaced by Bakasya. So again it is wrong statement. Ustra Marubhyamya Rupa Asti. The camel is the king on the desert. It is correct. So here you will write am. So in question number 2 and 5, am means yes. And question number 1, 3, 4, you have to write no. No means not. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is all about frame the sentences using the words given in the following table and follow the illustration given below. Okay. Now 3 columns are there. In first column, that is noun, or you can say subject. In second column, it is object, and third column verb. Okay. So example is given. Ustraha bane atati. The camel is roaming in the forest. So let us take again here. Ustra means camel. It is already shown the first answer. Ustra vane atati. The camel is roaming in the forest. Let us take Sukha. Sukha means parrot. Sukha, here you can write also vane. The parrot can move in the forest also. So atati is correct also. So Sukha vane atati. It is appropriate for Sukha. Aham. Aham means I. Aham. Then Modakam Khadami. I am eating sweets. That is appropriate. Kisan. Kisan is the name of boy. Kisanaha Jalam Pibati. Kisan is drinking water. Then let's take Mala. Mala is a name of girl. Mala Pustakam Pathati. Mala is a name of girl. She is reading book. So Mala Pustakam Pathati is appropriate. So this way you have to frame the sentences and write in a notebook. Now let's come to question number 5. Frame the sentences as shown in the illustration. Viraja Krusa. Viraj is thin. Krusa means patla. Okay. And Kintu Shaktiman Asti. But he is healthy. He is powerful. Shaktiman. Viraja Krusa. Even though Viraj is thin in physical appearance, but he is healthy. Or he is having lots of strength. So in the same way, Amita Sisu. Amita is a small child, but Sa Nirbhaya Asti. Amita is a name of girl. So, Kintu Nirbhaya Asti. So what do you have to write? Amita Sisu Kintu Nirbhaya Asti. Then question number 2. Nima Vriksha Tiktaha. The neem tree is bitter, but Gunakari Asti is useful. So Nima Vriksha Tiktaha Gunakari, Kintu Gunakari Asti. So you are supposed to add 2 words, Kintu and Asti in between. You have to add these 2 words. Okay. Rugnalaya Lagu. The hospital is small, but Swachha Asti. Kintu Swachha Asti is clean. Parvata Durataha. The mountain is far away, but Kintu Ramaniya Asti is beautiful. Kokilah Krishna. The cuckoo is black in color, but Kintu Madhubhasi Asti. It speaks sweet voice. Okay, it speaks in sweet voice. So here what I meant to say, you have to add kintu and asti. Okay, this word will come in between, and these two words are already there. First you have to write these two words, then you have to write kintu, then this word you have to carry out from this taken from here, and last word you have to just drop down asti. So this way you have to frame sentences. Now question number 6. Frame the sentences as shown in the illustration. Eka vakah. Esah vakah. It is a crane. It is a crane. Ekagrasta. Tasya ekagrata pratyada. Its concentration is famous. Esa sukah. Tasya swami bhakti prachalta. It is a parrot. And swami bhakta. Swami bhakta is applicable to dog. So kukura. Okay. So sukha will be that sukha manusya vani bhaktam samartha. So this question is wrong here. Sukha, in sukha manusya, that this word is not applicable. Swami bhakti means devoted to master. So not applicable. So don't attempt this question. Directly start with second. Esa kukuraha. So tasya swami bhakti prachalita. It is famous for devotion to work or devotion to master. Sa Rashtrapita sankalpa sakti. Tasya sankalpa sakti prachalita. His determination is very famous. Saha shikshak. It's a teacher. He is a teacher. Karyanishta. He is highly devoted to work. That is very famous. Chhatralaya, library. Tasya vyavastha prachalita. Its arrangement is proper. Okay. So the last question is nothing. Listen to the words spoken by the teacher and write them in your notebook. Then get them checked by either your teacher or your classmates. If mistake is found, correct it. So last question is nothing. Just you have heard from me in this video. So write it down in your notebook. And before you exit the video, subscribe to my channel, share it, and share it among your friends and like it. If you have any comments and suggestions or ideas, write in comment box. If you have any queries, please contact me. I will try to solve your doubts. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice time. Thank you. Thank you all.